Hey, hello again. In this lecture we're going to learn about conditionals. What is a conditional? Well, a conditional is a block of code which perform different actions depending on whether a given conditional evaluates to true or false. So let's go ahead and create a conditional in Python. I'll create the file conditionals.py and let me create a conditional block. And first of all, let me create a variable. Let's say a equals to 5, and here I'll create a conditional block. This block, what this will do is it will perform an action if a is less than 5 and another action if a is equal or greater than 5. So let me create that. If this is our conditional starts, if a, let's say less than 5, print, let's say less than 5. Press enter. And if you want to perform more actions with this condition, so when this condition is true, this will be executed. But if you want to perform more actions, you can add them there. If not, then you can go to the next check. So that would be else. So you have a colon here, a colon there. So else print equal or greater than 5. Let me execute this. And we get equal or greater than 5. So why did we get that? Well, because if a is less than 5, which is not, so this evaluates to false, and that means this will not be executed. So Python will skip this line and it will go to the next one. This next line says else, so else means if this is not true, this will be executed. So equal or greater than 5. So in this case, if a is not less than 5, then there's no other option but a is either equal or greater than 5. So that's an if and else conditional block. However, if you want to add more conditionals there, you want to use elif. So let's do that. The first two lines stay the same. If a is less than 5, print less than 5. Elif a is equal to 5, print equal to 5. Else print greater than 5. Save and execute, and you get equal to 5. If a was 6, you'd get greater than 5, and if a was 3, you'd get less than 5. And that's a conditional block in Python. And yeah, try to get familiar with the syntax, and in the next lecture I'm going to incorporate a conditional with this block of code. So see you there.